Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friend? I hope you all are fine. Today I will see you in a very beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding, beautiful jeweled and brilliant decoration bottles craft ideas. Hope you like all design and amazing craft ideas in this video. So friend, when you decorated a small corner of your home with these bottles, the whole space start to feel alive. The natural beauty and bar creative a worth farmhouse look that feel peaceful and homely. You can also add fairy lights inside the bottle. The warm light shining through the jewel look so magical, perfect for evening decoration or festive nights. Something simple thing bring the biggest beauty. These shoots bottles are proof that arts does not need expensive things, just patience and imaginations. Use dried flower or pepins grass to decor at home. It's creative, a vintage and elegant look that fits perfectly with any interior style. If you add white layers over the burlap, it's give soft feminine charm, perfect for wedding street corner or cozy living room display. For a rustic farmhouse theme, you can combine jute bottles with wooden trays and candles. It make your home feel warm, welcoming and stylish. And these bottles are also a beautiful handmade gift ideas. When you give someone a jute craft, you are actually give them something made with time, care, and love. The texture of bird leaf feels natural and peaceful. It reminds us to stay connected with nature and enjoy the simple thing in life. If you love eco-friendly decor, these bottles are the best choice. They recycle old glass and make your home look stunning at the same time. Try mixing color, a little white paint, golden rustic, green twin. It make each bottle look unique and rustic. You can use them of special occasion for to Christmas, Eid, birthday or even romantic dinner. Their natural beauty fits every mood. Add a tag or a small wooden label with a wood word like love, home or peace. These small words make your decoration meaningful. Each jute bottle has its own personality. Some are elegant, some playful, some simple, and some luxury. That the beauty of handmade art. So next time you see a plain glass bottle, do not throw it away and turn it into something